Alright, I want to start up today with a new video on how to use the new interface of Kodi. This is basically all the same. You still go in your settings. If this is for new installation, you set up your Wi-Fi, set up your direct connect Ethernet if you're going to run direct connect. Select the correct network that you would use. Like this one would be mine right here. Click on it, click the show password, type in password, hit connect now, and then there you go. I'm going to select the Ethernet because this is the one that I use, and it is the best one for less buffering issues. Alright, we're going to go ahead and enter in the Kodi and see the new version of Kodi that I set up for you guys. And you guys should see a lot of things new in here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and head to the blue and white K, which is the Kodi program. We're going to click on here and we'll be into the new Kodi. Okay, so right in here, of course, you're going to see a little bit of a load up. I have this pre-selected already. So right in here, you'll see one of the first things you see on there, you have your weather. This is based off of Chicago base. You can set your own weather application to your own city by scooting over to the settings page. You go into the settings, select your weather, select your settings. Go ahead and select your location. This will prompt you to type in your zip code. Type in whatever your zip code is, and then hit done as soon as you're done putting in your settings. Once you're done, you're just gonna hit OK to verify that that is your weather settings. Okay. Other than that, we're gonna go ahead and head back toward the next application, which is very popular. This is the live TV apps. Okay, so right in here you have your live channel up, live mix TV, which is what I posted on the forum, Shadow Row, and USA TV Now, C Cloud, and you have other as you keep scrolling over to your right, and there's about like 12, 13 of them in there. Also, we have a kids section. You can go in here, you scoot all the way over. There's about 6 selections in there for kids. It comes on all packages, even including adults. Excuse me. Videos. I had a lot of people always asking me, where do you find the movie section in here? So I moved the movie section to its own section. Self-name movies. Top name movie programs are in here. One Channel, Three Amigos, Exodus, Phoenix, 42K2, and Velocity. Those are the most popular movie applications. If you like something else, it's not up there. You can go ahead and go to your video add-on section and videos and find those. But before we enter there, I'm going to introduce you guys UMP, Universal Media Provider, and Stream All Sources, which is called SALTs. If you use these can be used as a video searcher. So for some reason it's asking me video add-ons right here, and we're in the wrong section. Give me 1 second. Went a little bit too far. Alright. Try this one more time. Go down here, select UMP. Okay, this is what you should see when you click on there. You're going to see audio, image, or video. We're going to go ahead and select video. You're going to go ahead and pick the internet media database, which, and then here you have search movies. Now this is something new that is in this Kodi. This is something that the new Kodi has put. It is called selective pretext, so that way it knows what you're going to be typing in. So like say we're going to go ahead and look up Creed here, and you go ahead and type in a couple letters, and you see on the bottom it now has suggestive search. So when it pops up here, now I can see that Creepy was in the movie I was looking for Creed was. Click on that, click on done, and now you can start doing a search for your movie. This would help a lot of these guys looking for movies that you just don't know where to find them at, and see if they're available on these devices. Okay, so I'm gonna wait right here. I got a couple Creed movies came out. These are not the ones I'm looking for, but this one right here is. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this one right here, and what this is gonna do is gonna start doing a search, internet search for the movie that you're looking for, and it will start coming up with links very shortly here on the right. A lot of links will come out. I'm just going to go ahead and pre-select one. You see the one that's illuminated in yellow right there is the one I have pre-selected. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that one. That was actually, the version was a 720p version. I'm gonna go ahead and select the movie and wait for this to load up here. Bear with my very slow internet here. Hopefully these guys have better internet. It'll move a lot quicker. And of course I pick a version that did not play. So you know this is not pre-rehearsed. So but you would just find a version that does play. You get a bunch of links in here. I'm gonna go ahead and back out of this. I'm gonna show you this. You can go ahead and play with this as much as you like. It will come out with a version that does work for you. You can find a link. Also, I went into, like I said, we got the movie section, but in the video section also they have the video add-on section. This is where it will be, you'll find your other applications, including adult. I don't have the adult in this particular box, but you will see them in adult contact boxes. So you'll be able to go in here, select whatever application you like to use. If there's other applications that you do like to use, you can find them in here. If there's something in here that you're looking for and you're just still searching for a lot of things, you can't find it, you go down to the get more cube down here, click on this, and this cube without there, it used to be a puzzle piece, now it's a cube. So now you select this and it's going to give you access to like, I think about 1600 plus applications right here. So so 1642 to be exact. These are the ones that are already enabled. As you can see, it's illuminated right here. It says it's enabled, but these are the ones that are not. So if you decide you wanted this one with a little brief description on your right, you could just go ahead and click on it, hit install, and it'll go ahead and install onto your button page, which is the previous page. If you decide you want to remove something, you click on this and you just say, you know, I just really don't like that app. You can click on it. Let me go ahead and click on it. And you can just hit uninstall, verify yes, and then go ahead and uninstall that application from your files. You're not limited to what you do, but if you do, you will build your file really big. So I caution you not to just download everything under the sun in here. I'm gonna back out of here one more time. Also, like I said, we have the movie section right here. Sports now has a section, Sports Still app, and a couple other apps are down here on the bottom that you could be able to use. TV shows, also the same. Starts with one channel TV, going all the way down to on-demand shows. Also, you have a super favorites button on here too, so you can go ahead and add stuff to the favorites. As you notice, there is no star down here or no TV guide, so unfortunately that cannot be brought in these builds. You got your Pandora, all the other music applications, programs. You got all your basic stuff that was under there, including your super favorites. Maintenance tools right down here, so you can get to it. Also, a new feature I put on here so everybody can stop getting confused. I put the clear cache button on here. You can click on the clear cache right here. Wait about a couple seconds for it to wipe out everything that you previously watched. You do need to clear this at least once a week if you're watching it on a regular basis. You're overwatching this device, you better do it every couple days. Possibly even every day. It doesn't hurt to do it every day. So now it's done clearing the cache. I'll just hit the back button one time and I'm out of there. This is just your settings. You shouldn't be messing with anything other than fixing your weather in here. Anything else, you're prone to pay me for the reprogram. So go ahead and experience some of the new applications, TV programs, and other ones that I put in here. I will not be going into those into detail, but you can go ahead and experience those for yourself and rate them. All right, thank you. And you guys have a great one. Hope you guys enjoy this new build. And like I said, if these guys got any questions, feel free to question me on the forum. Thank you.